In this video guide, I will show with you how to log in JP Bank, Japan Post Online. So friends, go to Google, search for JP Bank. This is the keyword. As you can see here, click the first result. You will see this login page. As you can see here, click on login option. When you click on a login option, you will redirect it to login page. So friends, just wait, scroll down from here, enter your customer number, 4-digit customer number, and then write your 4-digit for half customer number, and then choose. You can also enter your customer number here, as you can see here, and then you can choose your login method. The second method by enter your password from here, login with your password. Just scroll down and translate to English. Write your password here. So friends, this is how you can do. You can also log in with your app. Just download this app on Google Play or App Store. After download this app, you can log in successfully without any problem. You can download on Google Play or App Store. When you download, you can log in with your all information here, such your user ID. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give a like and give share this video for more content.